Hi guys! Welcome back to my diary. So for today's video, we're going to make a bookmark. So here are the materials I used, but these are all optional. So I already pre-painted my background and I'm just adding some more details. So depende rin sa inyo kung sa inyong gusto nga painting or whatever nga unsay gusto niyo nga design sa inyong bookmark. And for me, I feel like the watercolor paper is too thin, so I'm gonna glue it to another paper which is a thicker one, or to make it thick rather, and stiff. So I'm using a construction paper. And then I'm gonna use a hot glue gun. Then I'm gonna punch a hole at the middle top part of the bookmark and then tie the rope. Still, according to your preference, you may make it long or cut it short. And that's it.